Deer farming is the practice of raising deer commercially for various products, including venison, deer meat, antlers, hides, and velvet. There are deer farms in many countries around the world. This farming is popular in many countries, especially New Zealand, Australia, the United States, and parts of Europe and Asia. Deer meat is considered lean and high in protein, appealing to health-conscious consumers. Harvested from male deer during the growth phase, antler velvet is prized in traditional Asian medicine for its health benefits. Deer hides are valued for soft, durable leather used in clothing, gloves, and accessories. In some regions, there is a market for live animals or antlers for hunting preserves or trophy mounts. Dear viewers, today we will know how to profit from deer farming. Methods of deer farming, their food, selection of suitable habitat, and their care. First, deer farming requires a large area with enough grass, plants, and shade. Deer rearing requires a good enclosure so that the deer cannot escape easily. Fences are usually made of iron fencing or wood. This fence must be strong and about 7 to 8 feet high. Deer are very fond of eating grass, especially napkins, purra grass, guinea grass, etc. These grasses are easy to grow and contain a lot of nutrients. Leaves of plants, especially sugarcane, banyan, guava, bamboo leaves, mango leaves, etc. are suitable for deer. Kesri, puashak, kalmi greens, raw vegetables like carrot, spinach, potato, etc. They also have to be eaten. It is very important to provide fresh water daily for the deer. Generally, they can drink 5 to 10 liters of water a day, which depends on diet, climate, and weather. Water bowls or reservoirs should have clean water regularly. Dirty water can cause various diseases in deer. Deer breeding is usually seasonal, which may vary from species to species. The breeding season of most deer is winter or monsoon. During this time, male deer become active and start attracting female deer. Male deer are usually ready to breed at 2 to 3 years of age. Female deer are usually ready to breed at 1.5 to 2 years of age. Two methods of reproduction are natural reproduction and artificial reproduction. Artificial insemination is commonly used in commercial deer breeding and can increase the quality and productivity of the young. Natural breeding methods are generally simple and inexpensive and do not require any special equipment. A female deer usually gives birth to a cub at the end of pregnancy. However, some species can give birth to multiple babies. A clean and healthy environment should be ensured for the mother deer and cubs after delivery. The cub should be kept close to the mother deer so that it gets enough milk and grows strong quickly. The baby deer first has to rely on the mother's milk, which provides the nutrients it needs. In the beginning, he should be taught to eat milk and then gradually grass and other natural food. Deer should consult a veterinarian for regular health checkups. To protect them from diseases, regular vaccination and care should be provided.